Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm showing you how to make authentic Nigerian Okpa. Delicious, soft and so easy to make. Stay with me till the end because I will share the secret to getting the perfect texture every time. Let's get started. So pour the Okpa flour in a bowl and add enough red oil to it. Yes, enough red oil. Okpa needs red oil. Red oil helps the flavor, the color, it enhances the taste and everything. So you start to combine. You can make use of your spatula or your hands. You wash your hands clean. Start to combine the Okpa flour and the red oil. Keep stirring so you mix it up well. So while mixing this, quickly boil water that will be used in making the Okpa. Yeah, the water should be warm and not hot, not too hot, just warm. Then you add your warm water to the mixture. Yes, gradually, just little at first. Add little water, stir to combine. So you have to stir to have a sticky consistency. So just keep mixing and stirring. So the stirring helps get rid of lumps. So stir that up perfectly. Yeah, to have this sticky consistency like you see on the screen now. See how it looks. See how sticky it looks. This is when you know your okpa is ready to add more warm water to it. So gradually add little warm water again and stir that up. Keep stirring and keep mixing. So at this point, look at that. Just keep stirring. Add more water to the mixture gradually. Yes, and keep stirring. So I had to add a little more warm water to the mixture. Look at that. Your okpa don't have to be so thick and not too watery. So you have to have the perfect consistency. At this point, just keep adding the warm water gradually to get the perfect consistency. Not too watery and not too thick. Yes. So at this point, you add your salt. Add salt to the mixture and stir. Mix it up. Yeah, that's a big stir. Stir and mix the salt. Yeah, mix it properly. I added a little warm water to help dissolve the salt properly. So here is my pounded pepper, red pepper. Added that habanero pepper. Added it to the mixture. Yeah, I used warm water to rinse the water. So at this point, you boil hot water with your cooking pot. So I had to go in with my hand. Yeah, I used my hand to check the consistency of the okpa to know if it's ready to tie. Yeah, see, as I dipped my hands in the okpa, I raised it and it's not too thick and not so watery. So this is the perfect consistency you need. So I used this thing to scoop the okpa into a white nylon. And here is another tricky place. You have to make sure you tie your okpa tightly. Make sure it's very tight. So I cooked on high heat for about 30 to 45 minutes. Yeah, and your delicious okpa is ready. See that? So delicious. Yeah, tasty. As you can see, it's so easy to make. Please tell me in the comment section, would you be trying this recipe? Would you be trying it? And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you will be trying this okpa at home. See you in my next video. Bye!